is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minion out of some packing peanuts. So what you're going to need is obviously packing peanuts, some brush tip markers, a X-Acto knife, and a hot glue gun. So, once you got all that, let's get into it. So, what I'm doing here is I'm cutting out the glasses part for the Minion. And then I'm going to be working on the feet. Cut both of those out. And then I'm just cutting out the arms and rolling them so they're really thin. And I'm making the hands. They normally have 3 fingers. This was a different project than the Among Us one because there's more details, pieces on it. So now really I'm just coloring it. And there's my hair. After this, my hands were full of marker. The hands were probably the most difficult part. And maybe the arms too. Yeah, and sorry about my head. Make sure on the front of your Minion's pants to leave a little bit of a gap. Take a fine tip black marker and put in the little G for glue. Make sure to make the strap for the glasses mouth. And now I just put a couple lines of hair on the top. And then get your hot glue gun and just glue it all together. This guy actually turned out pretty cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm probably going to be making more packing peanut character videos, so make sure to stay tuned for those. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.